Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the Lemon Coast set in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. In the latest update of Heartopia, you'll see a new set that you can unlock. You can go to this menu, the Gilded Acorn exhibition, and then you're going to scroll down and you'll see the Lemon Coast set. It's called Lemon Coast Summer Embrace and Lemon Coast Summer Frames. So there are two types of the Lemon Coast set, and you can purchase one of them or both of them. It's up to you. And the important thing is you don't need the exhibition pass. Instead, you can use your Moonlight Crystal. So try to collect Moonlight Crystal as much as you can so you can purchase all the items from the set. They are so cool. I have already unlocked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the collections. I still need more Moonlight Crystal to unlock them all. And okay guys, that's how you can unlock the Lemon Coast set in Heartopia latest update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.